Welcome back, Affluence. Did you know that 93% of working Americans have some sort of side hustle? That's right, nearly half of us are turning free time into free money. Imagine what life could be like if those extra hours helped you vacation in Bali, wipe out debt, or boost your savings. So why start a side hustle? Most people believe their main jobs won't be enough financially. A growing trend shows 39% expect side hustles to become a norm. But studies report that the biggest hurdles to starting a side hustle are making the time, finding the right idea, and not knowing the first step to make. If you are in the same circle, this video is for you. Here are the hottest side hustles for 2024 that you can start today. Freelancing. Freelancing is many things. Think about the skills you already have. You may be great at graphic design, writing, or web development. Those skills can print you money. The average salary for graphic designers in 2024 is $55,951, with the top earners making $77,500. That's a bunch of cash you can make in your free time. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are the best places to connect you with people who need your skills. Freelancing is that it puts you in the driver's seat. You get to choose the projects that excite you, work on your schedule, and set rates that reflect your worth. If you could freelance in anything, what would it be? Shoot your thoughts down in the comments. E-commerce. Ever considered selling something online? E-commerce global retail sales are around 8.1 trillion USD right now. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify have made it super easy to open your own virtual shop. Whether you're into crafting unique jewelry, collecting vintage items, or designing digital artwork, e-commerce is your playground. But here's the real talk. How do you turn browsing into buying? The secret sauce is that you need to have a killer product. Now, how do you get it in front of the right people? It's all about connecting with your audience. You can use Instagram to showcase those handmade crafts. Tweet about your latest vintage finds. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your downloadable art prints. Faceless content creation might be a new term to many folks. Well, it's all about making videos without putting yourself in front of the camera. Not everyone wants to be YouTube famous, but many have incredible ideas that deserve an audience. Start creating engaging videos that rely on graphics, animations, or even dynamic text instead of personal appearances. Some examples include tutorial videos with screen shares, storytelling with animated characters, or even compelling voiceover narratives that capture and hold attention. So here is the important thing. You need to pick a niche that plays to your strengths. Are you great at explaining things? Or are you good at storytelling? Whatever your knack, try crafting engaging stories using animation software like Blender or Adobe Animate. Online coaching. This one's for those of you who have a knack for guiding others and want to make a meaningful impact. In 2019, the online coaching industry was valued at $47 million and is projected to reach $6,790 million by 2031. So what does it take to become an online coach? First of all, what are you passionate about? What do you have extensive knowledge in? Once you've pinpointed your specialty, the next step is to establish your online presence. Create a platform where your voice can be heard and your skills can be showcased. Explore Coursera and other different platforms where you can sell your pre-made courses. Now, let's think bigger. Online coaching isn't just about one-on-one sessions, it's also about scalability. You must create downloadable resources, courses, or even a membership program. These elements will allow you to reach more people and provide value continuously, not just during a scheduled session. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to monetize your online influence. About 80% of affiliates are in the beginning to advanced income range, with an annual income ranging from $0 to $80,000. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, or podcast host, if you've built an audience that trusts your opinions, affiliate marketing can be a natural next step. As an affiliate marketer, you will promote products or services through your channels and earn a commission for each sale or action completed through your referral. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, affiliate publishers earn an average of $51,000 annually. Here's how you can get rolling. Start by joining affiliate networks like Sherry Sale, Rakuten, or direct programs from brands you align with. Once approved, you can access links or promo codes to share with your audience. Talk about these products in your content in a way that adds value, such as in-depth reviews and tutorials, or showcasing them as solutions in your content. Have you ever clicked on an affiliate link from someone you follow? What made you trust their recommendation? Stock photography. Let's zoom in on a side hustle that might be right up your friend if you've got an eye for capturing moments. Stock photography is a popular way to turn your photos into a source of steady, passive income. The photos you take today could continue earning you money while you sleep, travel, or work in other projects. Platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock provide a marketplace where your photographs can be purchased by anyone in the world, from big corporations to small bloggers looking to spice up their posts. And the demand for fresh, unique images is endless. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start? First things first, you need to capture photos that sell. Think unique angles, stunning compositions, and images that fill a specific need. The next thing is to understand the stock photo market. What types of images are in high demand? Often, everyday concepts with a universal appeal, like nature scenes, urban landscapes, and candid human moments perform well. Translation services. If you're fluent in 2 or more languages, a whole world of opportunities are waiting for you. Every day, countless businesses and content creators need help crossing language barriers. Whether translating official documents, localizing websites for new markets, or subtitling videos, your language skills can open doors to lucrative. In 2022, the global translation service market was worth $40,420 million, and the market is projected to grow to $48,360 million by 2031. Projects. You can translate from anywhere, from home, traveling, or living abroad. This flexibility makes it a perfect fit for a digital nomad lifestyle. To get started, you must build a portfolio of your work. Take on some initial projects at a lower rate, or volunteer your services for nonprofits. This will hone your skills and help you gather testimonials and references. Platforms like Prose, Translatorscape, or even Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find translation gigs. Podcasting. Let's talk about starting your own podcast. Because honestly, it's pretty cool to have your show to share all the stuff you're passionate about. Cooking, tech gadgets, or even mystery novels. People actually tune in to listen. Podcasting creates a space where you can talk about your interests and connect with like-minded folks who share your enthusiasm. And yes, you can actually make money from it. You've got options like getting sponsors who love what you're doing. You can offer exclusive content through memberships, or even selling some neat merch related to your podcast theme. Voiceover work. Voiceover is a pretty much in-demand skill currently. In 2022, there were over 2.4 million active podcasts, and the audiobook industry was valued at $4.1 billion, highlighting the growing demand for voice-over artists online. If you have a good voice, it could be your ticket to a new income stream. Whether it's bringing characters to life in animations, adding personality to commercials, or narrating audiobooks, there's a whole world of opportunities if you know how to use your voice effectively. There's a great demand for diverse voices, accents, tones, and all. What you do need is clarity and the ability to convey emotion and information through your voice alone. If this sounds like your kind of gig, start by practicing reading out loud and recording yourself. Play with different pitches and speeds. Think about how your voice can reflect different emotions or characters. Then invest in a decent microphone and some basic sound editing software. Nothing too high-end. Just enough to produce clean, clear audio samples. Once you're ready, platforms like Voices.com or ACX for audiobooks can be great places to find your first gigs. Create a demo reel that showcases the range of your voice and start auditioning for roles that fit. That's a wrap, Affluence. If you are still with us, you should now have fantastic side hustle ideas that could really boost your income. So, which one sparked your interest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know which hustle you're considering and why. And if you've gotten something valuable from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our future tips and tricks.